Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. Today is day 7 of my 31 days of Halloween. It's already been 1 week and I've just been having so much fun making these. Today's look is going to be a Gypsy makeup. I thought it'd be fun to do this cute makeup that you can just throw together. I am going to do wardrobe and accessories and hair at the end of the video. I know I kind of usually have it all on already, but today I was like focused on the makeup. I just didn't want to bother right now. So I did already do my foundation, concealer, brows, and all my face stuff. I'm really excited to start this video, so let's just jump right in. Subscribe to my channel and follow my social media down below. And let's just hop right in to this Gypsy makeup. Okay guys, this is the finished Gypsy makeup and I think it's so stunning. Like, I feel so pretty but like witchy and like mysterious. So you saw me do my makeup and all I added as far as accessories was this little headpiece thing. You can kind of do any jeweled headpiece. I got this for like $3 at Claire's and it like didn't fit my big ass head, so I like bobby pinned it to somehow sit like this. And then I am wearing this necklace and I got this off an Instagram page called Inner Soul and it is run by this girl Taylor and she makes beautiful necklaces and she always has these really cool crystals and gems. I highly recommend you go check out her page, and she has a shop linked in her Instagram bio. And then as far as bracelets, I just have a bunch of these string bracelets and I have this one that has like an eyeball on it. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I was like, oh, that's perfect. And then I added a bunch of rings like so. I just got, like, these are from a while ago, but they were at American Eagle in like a little pack. And then I painted my nails black, and then I just have this little beaded crystal, I don't know if they're crystals, like little stones bracelet. And then I'm wearing this black tank top thing and I found this in my mom's closet. It's like this little like cardigan thing, but it's like this like mesh like material. I don't know what it is, but it's like really rough, but like it feels nice. And it's like, you can see through it, and it's like this like green color. And I was like, oh my gosh, this like goes with the vibe, so I threw that on. And for my hair, I just straightened it and I had to like spray it like with a lot of hairspray like back so it would kind of like sit right and the headpiece would like sit right. And I do have earrings in. They are just these like, they're supposed to be the sun. It's like this little orange bead. It's nothing crazy. I wear them every day pretty much, so I just like threw them on. And as far as accessories and wardrobe, you can pretty much do whatever. Anything like really extra and dangly and like, you know, just a lot of jewelry going on is like perfect Gypsy. And I feel like a headpiece type of thing is like so fit-in, but you don't need it, but it's just a fun little like element that I feel like really completes the look. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I sure as hell love it, and I know I say that in every one of these Halloween videos, but I really like this one. I hope you subscribe to my channel and continue watching these Halloween videos, and follow all my social media down below. I am really active on Instagram. I post every single day photos of the video look that I do, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.